In this video, I'll show you how you can connect your Porkbun domain over to Blogger. So here's my example blog for the video. So what you want to do is go to Blogger and you need to go into your dashboard on Blogger and then scroll down and go to settings. Now within settings, you need to then scroll down again and you'll see publishing. Now by default, you'll have a .blogspot domain. You can go to custom domain. And if you click on that, you can enter in your custom domain from Porkbun. So once you're logged into Porkbun and you're on account domain management, you'll see your domain. So I'm going to copy it here. My domain is knowledgebasetutorial.com. So let's head over to Blogger. We'll type www. and then paste in my domain and then click save. Now, once you've done that, it's going to say we have not been able to verify your domain. And this is exactly what you're looking for because now we need to add some records to this domain name. So let's go ahead and follow these instructions. So we need to enter the following two CNAMEs. So the first CNAME is going to be www in the name and then in the destination, ghs.google.com. So let's break this down really easily. So go to your Porkbun domain, then go to your domain right and go to DNS. Inside of DNS, if you've got any DNS records, which may be connecting it to something else, you need to remove them. So here we've got some Shopify records, which I'm going to remove. So we'll just delete these two. Okay, so now we've got no more CNAME records. We can now go ahead and add one. Now, the good thing about Porkbun, we can do this manually, or if you just want to click on the Blogger DNS config, we can just add these records automatically. So click on Blogger, then click OK. And what it should do is then add these records. So it says here, Blogger may require you to enter another CNAME record called a security CNAME. This information is given to you by Blogger. They should display it in the format of name XXX destination XXX. So where it says host, what you want to do, you want to go back to Blogger and we're looking for this error message and we need to come to the second CNAME here. So it says here name and then it's got all of these characters here. So you want to copy this up to the comma. So we've got name and then these characters. So it starts for me with a Y and ends in a T. So we'll copy that and we'll go ahead and paste that here. Now we'll go back and we'll copy the destination. So we've got destination ... and then you've got this long string here. And you want to copy this all the way up until this closed bracket. Click copy, then go back to Porkbun and paste that in here. Now click submit and that should be all good. And it says we were able to successfully update your records. Click OK. So now if you go back to your DNS record and you scroll down, you should have the relevant records set up for Blogger. Now go back to Blogger, click cancel, and you need to go back to your custom domain and just type it in again. So mine is www.knowledgebasetutorial.com. We can then click save. Now it should recognize that the records have been added and there you go. So now within 48 hours, everything should be updated and we can just try it now. So let's go ahead and copy the domain and we'll just see if it is working. So it isn't working right now. Now to make sure that you've done it right, if you go to a website called dnschecker.org, you can paste in your domain name and click search. And if everything's green here, so you just have to wait up to 48 hours, and then your domain name will have changed. So that's how you do it. Be patient. It can take up to 48 hours to verify across all servers. But I hope that quick video did help you out.